Which drink helps in regulating menstrual cramps? A. Green tea. B. Lemon juice. C. Ginger tea. D. Orange juice. Correct answer, C. Ginger tea. The next question is, which food boosts both brain and sexual health? A. Walnut. B. Onion. C. Rice. D. Milk. Correct answer, A. Walnut. The next question is, which body part has the strongest muscle? A. Thigh. B. Jaw. C. Chest. D. Calf. Correct answer, B. Jaw. The next question is, which fruit is best for digestion and prevents constipation? A. Guava. B. Grape. C. Apple. D. Watermelon. Correct answer, A. Guava. The next question is, which organ holds the most blood in the body? A. Brain. B. Liver. C. Skin. D. Lungs. Correct answer, C. Skin. The next question is, which food helps balance female estrogen levels? A. Soybeans. B. Chicken. C. Egg. D. Yogurt. Correct answer, A. Soybeans. The next question is, which color of egg has more nutrition? A. Brown. B. White. C. Both. D. Depends on bird. Correct answer, C. Both. The next question is, which human body part heals the fastest? A. Skin. B. Tongue. C. Eyes. D. Lips. Correct answer, B. Tongue. The next question is, which nut increases testosterone naturally? A. Pista. B. Walnut. C. Cashew. D. Almond. Correct answer, A. Pista. The next question is, which food boosts immunity and sexual stamina? A. Dates. B. Tomato. C. Corn. D. Chickpeas. Correct answer, A. Dates. The next question is, what percentage of body weight is water in a healthy adult? A. 40%. B. 50%. C. 60%. D. 70%. Correct answer, C. 60%. The next question is, which seed supports regular ovulation in women? A. Chia seeds. B. Sesame seeds. C. Pumpkin seeds. D. Flax seeds. Correct answer, D. Flax seeds. The next question is, which part of the eye has no blood supply? A. Retina. B. Cornea. C. Iris. D. Lens. Correct answer, B. Cornea. The next question is, which food improves blood circulation and libido? A. Apple. B. Beetroot. C. Cucumber. D. Carrot. Correct answer, B. Beetroot. The next question is, what is the average time sperm can live inside a female body? A. 1 day. B. 3 days. C. 5 days. D. 7 days. Correct answer, C. 5 days. The next question is, which fruit helps lower cholesterol levels? A. Orange. B. Apple. C. Guava. D. Grapes. Correct answer, B. Apple. The next question is, which hormone increases during sexual arousal? A. Cortisol. B. Dopamine. C. Serotonin. D. Melatonin. Correct answer, B. Dopamine. The next question is, which vitamin is essential for healthy sperm production? A. Vitamin A. B. Vitamin B12. C. Vitamin D. D. Vitamin K. Correct answer, B. Vitamin B12. The next question is, which part of the body has the most sweat glands? A. Feet. B. Palm. C. Forehead. D. Chest. Correct answer, B. Palm. The next question is, which vegetable helps in reducing period pain? A. Tomato. B. Spinach. C. Broccoli. D. Carrot. Correct answer, C. Broccoli. The next question is, which fruit is best for reducing acidity in the stomach? A. Watermelon. B. Pineapple. C. Banana. D. Papaya. Correct answer, C. Banana. The next question is, what body system controls sexual response? A. Digestive system. B. Nervous system. C. Respiratory system. D. Lymphatic system. Correct answer, B. Nervous system. The next question is, which seed boosts both fertility and skin health? A. Sunflower seeds. B. Flax seeds. C. Chia seeds. D. Mustard seeds. Correct answer, B. Flax seeds. The next question is, which nut improves brain function and sexual vitality? A. Almond. B. Cashew. C. Pecan. D. Walnut. Correct answer, D. Walnut. The next question is, which juice helps to reduce blood pressure naturally? A. Orange juice. B. Beetroot juice. C. Apple juice. D. Pomegranate juice. Correct answer, B. Beetroot juice.